Horse stance.
Horse stance.
Sparring stance.
Sparring stance.
Make sure you're facing me. Switch feet.
Switch feet.
Switch feet.
Switch feet.
Now say forward stance.
Forward stance.
Back stance.
Back stance.
Forward stance.
Forward stance.
Switch feet. Back stance.
Back stance.
Sparring stance.
Sparring stance.
Switch feet.
Switch feet.
Horse stance.
Horse stance.
Ready stance.
Ready stance.
Horse stance.
Horse stance.
High block.
High block.
High block.
High block.
Outside block.
Outside block.
Outside block.
Outside block.
Low block.
Low block.
Low block.
Low block.
Chamber.
Chamber.
Guard.
Guard.
Chamber.
Chamber.
Guard.
Guard.
Chamber.
Chamber.
Double high block.
Double high block.
Double outside block.
Double outside.
Double low block.
Double low block.
Chamber.
Chamber.
Guard.
Guard.
Ready stance.
Ready stance.
Sparring stance.
Sparring stance.
Facing me. 1, 2.
1, 2.
1, 2. Hook punch.
1, 2, 4,
Switch feet.
1.
1, 2. Hook punch. Follow along, guys. 1, 2. Hook punch.
1.
Front kick. Make sure you sparring stance. Switch feet. Switch feet. Switch feet.
Good.
Switch feet again. Now one more time. Good. Hands up. Make tiger claws. I want you to do your tiger squats with me. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Only when I do them or it doesn't count. 4. Oh, I didn't do it yet. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. Now I want you guys to scoot all the way back to that last track there. This one right here. You guys are standing. Now stand up on it. Good. Arms out to the sides. Now when I say go, you're going to clap to attention. Make sure I say go though. I'm going to see who's paying attention. On your mark, get set, gopher. I say gopher. Arms out. You got to wait till I say go. I'm going to be sneaky to see who's paying attention to me. On your mark, get set, Godzilla. Oh, getting smarter. Arms out. On your mark, get set, gorilla. Oh, you were paying attention. On your mark, get set, go. Clap, slap. And feet together, facing me. And repeat after me. Discipline.
Discipline.
Respect.
Respect.
Honor.
Honor. Government.
Good job, guys. Don't forget to bow on your way out. Good clap. Make sure you bow before you go off the mat.